Alright guys, if you've been tuning in, you've probably seen my last video when I just got this 84 WR400 Husqvarna, and I got it from a guy that said he got it from a guy whose son had built a motor, then he rode it. Not too long after that he broke his leg on it and he died. So I don't know if he died because of a broken leg, got infected, or I hope the bike didn't kill him. But anyway, since then, I took the spark plug out and noticed it was foul. And I immediately put a new one in there and just the plug wire, kicked it over and it was firing. So it just had a bad spark plug. And I said, let's put some gas in it. Kind of went through the carburetor and it fired right up. I'm going to do a cold start on it. And I'm going to show you how cold it is out here. It is 31 degrees. That's pointing outside of my garage. About 32, 31. Now this will be a real cold start for a two-stroke. That's how you know your carburetor's right, your ignition's right, your premix is right. But before I do the cold start, I'm going to show you something else I picked up. I picked up this 84W, no, it's not a WR, it's a XC250. It's all complete. Don't have a chain on it. I got it from a friend of mine's salvage yard, and somebody brought it in, and I haven't touched it yet. I don't know what's wrong with it. But the head's on it, carburetor, decent tires on it. Let you see the other side of it. Got the original silencer. It's all complete bike, except for like the handlebar grips and handles, but I got all that. But hopefully it'll be a quick runner too. So I'm getting into Husky somehow. I guess I'm gonna turn Sweden. But like I say, it's all there, and it's a mystery of what's wrong with it. So maybe I strike it lucky on it like the other one. But anyway, I'm going to do a cold start on this puppy. See, can I get my camera right? Notice it is 31 degrees, 32 degrees out here. And one more thing, like everybody else does. The pipe is cold, the engine's cold. So it hadn't been started since this weekend. Today is Wednesday, so it hasn't been started since then. So can I get my thing right? Thing you want to do, turn the choke on, shake it up, real good, with your two sockets. Turn the gas on. And keep it up with the compression stroke. Thing's loud. Well, anyway, cranked up. Wasn't the first kicker. Probably about a 4 kicker. Like I say, it is 32 degrees outside, and it was cold. And there you have it. WR400 XC250, soon to be running. Just stay tuned, and maybe it'll turn out lucky like this old beast from the Middle East.